and thanks for coming today to the Innovation Development Lab Innovation Conference. We have some great people and some very interesting topics, so I'll get right to it. First, I'd like to introduce Associate Provost Lawrence Hamer from DePaul, and he'll give his initial introduction, and we'll go from there. Thank you.
Good morning, everybody. I was told to speak into the microphone that's on the mic stand, but not the mic stand that's on the stand. So I think that means this. So hopefully that's right. My name is Lawrence Hamer, as he just said. Thank you for the introduction. I'm an associate provost. How many people know what that means? Okay. Sometimes I have my hand up, sometimes I don't have my hand up. But what that means is I have a position that allows me to look across the university. I'm a professor in the business school, but my position as an associate provost allows me to interact with all the colleges here at DePaul. So I was asked to just spend a couple minutes with you guys talking about DePaul in general and the resources DePaul offers. So DePaul, some of you guys are students here, I know, and everyone here knows DePaul, otherwise you wouldn't have found the building today, obviously. But DePaul, we have 10 colleges, and we are about 24,000 students. We're the largest Catholic university in the country. I don't like to say that too loudly sometimes because that makes us sound big and impersonal, and we pride ourselves in being anything other than impersonal. So we have roots in a much smaller institution, and we have maintained those roots. One of the ways that we have become bigger, though, is by doing new stuff. And especially in this building, in CDM, this is really the college that does most of, more new stuff than anybody else. But we have new stuff that occurs all over campus. I know I'm an academic, I'm supposed to say things in different ways, but it's new stuff. I'll just use that term. And what we pride ourselves on is being innovative. And being not very prescriptive in terms of what innovation we would like to see. That means what we pride ourselves on is allowing people to think and do things that they think are interesting, that follow their passions, and providing support for those people. So we have people in this building who focus on technology, IT, information services, all those sorts of things, and they grow in ways and they think about things in ways that are new and different and exciting. You guys know all that. The point I'd like to make today, though, is we have people all over campus who grow and think in ways that are new and exciting. So as you're looking at DePaul from the outside looking in, don't start in CDM. CDM is fantastic, but you could also find partners across campus. If you're a student here, CDM offers a great educational experience. You can also find people across campus who have interest in the things that you're interested in, even if they're not as directly related as the people in this building. I say that in no way trying to discourage you from interacting with the people in this college, but new things come in unusual, unpredicted places. So as you're interacting with these people here at this college, allow those interactions to expand organically to encompass other people across campus. And if you need money for these initiatives, ask Jacob. He has a pot of money. Other than that, I think I'm going to stop here in a second and hand it off to the next person. Other than that, I would just like to sincerely thank you for coming and spending your time with us today. We really appreciate your being here. We can't be who we are. We can't be who we should be. We can't be who we want to be unless we have interactions that take place with people in our buildings and people who are outside our buildings. So thank you for helping us be the place that we would like to be. Other than that, enjoy a great day here at CDM. And again, thank you for being here.
Hello, I'm Jacob First, and I am the director of the School of Computing. And so what happened was we actually skipped a step here. So Lawrence was here representing DePaul, and my boss couldn't be here this morning, the Dean of the College of Computing and Digital Media. So this is our space, the entire building, with a few small exceptions. And we also, as Lauren suggested, have roots in a much smaller place. When I first arrived at DePaul 20 years ago, we had basically just 2 floors in this building. And we have been growing since then. And as Lauren suggested, we still have this idea that we're a small place. And that's important because we are nimble and we do move around and we do like to explore and experiment. So in fact, the School of Computing is still an experiment. For the longest time, we were a single monolithic college, and about 3 or 4, actually it's about 5 years ago now, the dean decided that we needed some kind of differentiation in the college. And so he created for us the School of Computing, the School of Cinematic Arts, and then most recently, just 2 years ago, our School of Design. And so we actually, even in the college, have exciting opportunities for collaboration with faculty and students in cinematic arts and with faculty and students in design. Okay. The School of Computing is semi-traditional. We cover a wide range of IT, so we have programs and students and faculty in human-computer interaction, user experience, software engineering, computer science, information technology, information systems, cybersecurity, game programming. I'm sure I'm missing some of them. At the graduate, so that was mostly at the undergrad to the graduate level. We have predictive analytics. So we cover a large area, right? So even depending on what your particular focus is, as Lauren suggested, take a look around and see what else is just within this school. Okay? I have the same story that Lawrence does. Most of the time I have no idea what my job entails, but that's exciting and that's fun. One of the things that turned out that my job entailed most recently was working with one of our dynamic faculty members, Dr. Yele, on creating an innovation center here at the School of Computing. It was kind of happening all around us, but in bits and pieces. And so when Yele came to me and said, Jacob, I'd like to start up an innovation lab, I thought, okay, let's do that. Right? So we sat down, he showed me some examples from other schools and colleges. We've been working on our corporate outreach and trying to find partners who want to do interesting things with us. And so Yele walked me through this, and I made the right connections, I think, to make this happen. And so now we have a director, we have space, and we have students, and all of you. Thank you. A little bit about the Innovation Lab. We're trying to accomplish basically 3 things. And if I don't get these right, Yele's going to kill me. So one of the things is that we want to provide a space for innovation. In particular, we want to offer companies a place where they can come, where they can say, here's this idea that we have, and we're not sure what it's worth. Can you put together a prototype for us so we can look at this idea and see if maybe it's something we want to pursue? So that's the Innovation Lab part, right? Come in with an idea, you walk out with a prototype. Decide whether or not it's something you want to pursue. See, Yele? Should have written it on my forehead. So the other thing that we want to do is actually conduct research around innovation. We're academics. We want to figure out how things work, and innovation is, it's right up there with creativity. It's one of these things that happens. Lots of people have theories about it. Lots of people study it. We're interested too. What is it that makes people innovative? What is it that makes certain innovative ideas successful and others not successful? What ways can you foster innovation, encourage innovation, make innovation work at your organization? Okay, so that's number 2. And then number 3 is this. Right? We're interested in education and training and all of that. And so the iLab, the Innovation Lab, is also going to be a place where people can come and learn things about innovation, about what makes innovation work, how to support innovation. And so that last reason is why all of you are here today. I'm excited by this project. I think it hasn't always been easy. It never is, but we've been able to accomplish it. We've done it pretty quickly. The success of this workshop is really exciting for us, and I look forward to bigger and better things working with the Innovation Lab and all of you. Thank you very much for coming.